Hi, here is the video for the college savings. So we're going to go into Google. We're going to get a new Google Sheet. Um, okay, we are going to direction number 1 says open a spreadsheet, which is a Google Sheet. Type the text as seen. So I'm going to type this I put in caps locks 529 college savings calculator. Okay, and I'm going to go to A3. I'm going to turn off caps lock. Now it's going to look like it's going into B, but it's not. It's super important that you put this in C3, 5%. Okay, and then we want to increase the decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make the decimal place 3 places. Okay, and then A6. I'm going to type in payment, and then underneath of that underneath of that MONTH. Okay, E E6 E6 E6. We're going to type college savings in years. So this tells us how much money, if we save, the amount of money we save and how long we save it for. If given 5% interest, how much can we save? And it's a pretty cool sheet because you type in 50 right here and then 55, and then you select not the blue ball. You don't go like this. Okay, you go in the center right here and pull down, let go, just select those two, let go. Now grab the little blue ball and pull down to line 34. Okay, and it's going to take you to 170. Okay, now we're going to type an 8 right here and a 9. Okay, we're going to put our cursor right here. We're going to select 8 and 9, and we're going to pull all the way over to L. Okay, and believe it or not, we're getting closer to being done. Okay, so the other thing that we want to do is we want to put in a header. We want to name it. I'm going to name my demo so I know that it's mine. But you just need to name it activity 53 529 college savings. Okay, so we're going to put in a header. So we're in a print footer. We're going to go to print. Okay, over here, we're going to click on headers and footers, edit custom fields. In the left section, we are going to put activity 53 and your first and last name. Okay, in the center, we are going to put all caps 529 college savings. Okay, and in the right section, we're going to click on the calendar right here and then date 1. In this bottom center, we're going to click on the hashtag or the page number and page number A. Okay, so then we're going to hit confirm and next, and now we're going to hit cancel. It looks like it went away, but it actually did not go away. It just looks like it did on this screen, but when we print it, you're going to be able to see it. Okay, now this is the very cool part. Now you have to do this. Everything has to be typed in where it's supposed to be. And you need to put in the formula exactly the way I'm typing it in. So I'm going to make it, a little bit bigger so it's easier for you to see the formula. So again, all formulas or equals tells the spreadsheet to do math. FV, okay, open parentheses, $C, $3. That means always go to C, always go to 3. So it's going to always grab this number right here, no matter what. That's why we put the dollar signs in front of it. And we're going to divide that by 12. So it gives us the interest per month, comma, B, $8. So now it's always going to go to row 8. It's going to go to C, D, E, and F, but it's always going to go to row 8. Okay. Times, which is the asterisk, 12. Times 12. Okay. Comma, minus, that minus is important, $A, $A, 10. That means it's always going to go to column A, but it will switch and go to like 11, A11, A12, A14, A15, A16. If you have a dollar sign before the letter and the number, it means it's always going to go just to that particular cell. Okay, when you get done, it should look like this. Okay, now yours is going to have a number. Yours is going to have a number. And we're going to click on autofill. So yours is going to look like this. Okay, but so your first number should be 5887.03. But the really cool thing is that if you select all of this and you click on this, the blue ball, and you go all the way over to L, boom, it does all of that math for you. All of it's done for you. So yours is actually going to come out, and you don't have to type all these in there. You're just filling them. You're just grabbing the little blue ball and pulling over to, so I'm just going to show you that my formula copied over, and everything's important in a formula. The equal sign is important. The dollar signs are important. The open parentheses are important. All of it tells is the language of a spreadsheet. If you don't say the right things, it doesn't know what to do. So that is how we do our college savings. And again, yours will be smaller than this because you're not having it stretched out like this. Now, if by some chance you get a cell that has hashtags in it, it looks like this. If you have a cell that looks like this, okay, it means that your cell needs to be wider. You need to put your cursor between your cells, left click and pull. Okay. Okay. So, and again, I'll show you, I'll hit Control minus and show you what it looks like. Okay. And if you can see, it's all filled in, and it took me less than 5 minutes, I think. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for doing your work, and have a great day.